The Palmer Amaranth and the Waterhemp are a couple of pigweed species. The Palmer Amaranth can be found anywhere across the state of Kansas. Waterhemp tends to be focused more in the eastern third of the state of Kansas, and both have been consistent problems for us. We've had very good success with glyphosate, at least initially on Waterhemp and Palmer Amaranth, but with consistent use of glyphosate, we now have documented the glyphosate-resistant Waterhemp in the state of Kansas. We have not found glyphosate-resistant Palmer Amaranth in Kansas. However, there are many states to the east of us where they have documented glyphosate-resistant Palmer Amaranth, so very likely it could be out there. And so what we want to avoid is to use strictly glyphosate. Year after year, glyphosate only, we will select for resistance in these pigweed species. And then we are in trouble. So I think at this point, what we would recommend is to use something soil applied, something pre-emergence with multiple modes of action, different modes of action obviously than glyphosate. So even one of our chlorocidamids, which we've had around a long time, plus atrazine, can give excellent control of the pigweed species. Unfortunately, we do have some triazine resistance out there as well. And so we have some new products out there like the Lumax, the Lexars, the Corvus, the Balance Flex. They all contain HPPD inhibitors. That's a new mode of action, excellent on pigweeds, and I think really do give us that first initial shot at controlling these pigweed species. If we move into the post-emergence programs, and obviously glyphosate's going to be in the tank, simply because you control a tremendous amount of weeds, but tank mixing with glyphosate also to help prevent the development of resistance or to control glyphosate-resistant pigweeds. But the addition of a dicamba product like Banville, a Distinct, Status, can provide excellent control. We also have some post-emergence HPPD inhibitors, things like Callisto, Caprino, Impact, Lotus. So we do have, a number of options that could help us out, either preventing the development of resistance or controlling glyphosate-resistant pigweed species.